Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about important topic strategic management process. So last session we discussed many things related to strategy management, so everything. So now we are going to discuss strategic management process. So step 1, setting up of strategic intent. Intent is nothing but intention, it's a focus. So in the focus, I mean that setting up of strategic intention to frame the vision, mission, and objectives. Vision is a long-term goal, so everyone know. Mission is a short-term goal, and finally, you are having the objective or goal or target. So, vision for a long term, you can take some effort. For example, if you are doing a business in 5 years or 10 years, you are the number one all around the world. My company is number one. Mission is a short-term goal. For example, in Coimbatore or in Tamil Nadu level, within that 1 year or 2 years, my company is number one. So depends upon the vision and mission, you can take more efforts to achieve the objectives. I mean objective or goal or target. So second, strategy formulation. Strategy formulation, it helps to that you have to frame environmental appraisal, organizational appraisal. Before that, what do you mean by appraisal? Appraisal is nothing but testing. To test the job performance in that particular job. For example, we take it as a performance appraisal, environmental appraisal, organizational appraisal. So environmental appraisal means there are two types of environment are there, internal environment, external environment. So internal environment within the organization, for example, we take as employees, uh, top level, middle level, and low level. So three levels of management people are that within the organization. I mean that internal environment. External environment, it's like that pest analysis. It's a political, economic, social, technological, customers, suppliers. So everyone, external environment. For example, if you take it as a budget, it's external environment, right? So it's an environmental appraisal. So you are going to analyze the internal environment and external environment. Then you have to frame the strategy. Organizational appraisal, you are going to appraise the whole organization. Third one, strategy implementation. So first one, you are going to focus. Second one, you are going to formulate. Third one, implementation. So implementation, activation of strategy. For example, designing structure, process, and system. Behavioral implementation, functional implementation, operationalizing strategy. So activation of strategy in the sense, designing structure. If you are going to manufacture any product, you are going to frame any design. So you can do it in R&D, research and development. R&D department only you can take care of the any design, mobile phone or luxurious car or anything, right? So designing structure. Then you are going to process. So manufacture that particular product, that is a process, right? First design and process. So how to do that, right? So that is a process. Then finally we are having system. So design, I mean the process, it becomes a system. So next one, behavioral implementation. Behavioral implementation is related to the employees. So employees' behavior, attitude, positive. Some of them having the positive attitude, some of them having the negative attitude, right? Some of them they are having the introvert, extrovert. So whatever it is. So behavioral implementation. So it's our responsibility as a strategy. You have to correct it. Functional implementation. In that organization, they are having HR department, marketing department, administration, finance. So all the departments combined together to frame the strategy. Then finally, you are going to achieve the objective or goal. So finally, we are having the operationalizing strategy. Operationalizing strategy is nothing but operations is nothing but day-to-day operations of the business. So that is a operation strategy or working capital. Then last final, strategy evaluation and control. So strategy evaluation, first you're having the focus, next you are going to formulate, third one you're going to implement, finally you're going to check it, right? So whether it will be our strategy, it will be right or wrong. So you'll get the feedback from the customer. It depends upon the feedback. It depends upon the results. Our strategy will be right or wrong. You can check it. Right. So strategy evaluation and control. First, you are going to evaluate all the strategy. You have to check it. Then monitor all the activities. So first, starting to ending. Then finally review. Why we are saying it's a review? Review. So again, you can see that. So that is a review. So whether it will be okay, whether everything it will be right, so you can proceed. The same strategy. Suppose anything it will be wrong, you got the negative feedback from the customers. So you can change the strategy. So this is the whole strategic management process in every organization they are following. So now you can clearly understand about the strategic management process. Okay. So vision, mission, and objective. These are the important keywords. Then environmental appraisal, organizational appraisal. Then the strategic implementation, designing structure, process, and system, real implementation, functional implementation, operationalizing the strategy. Then finally, step 4, strategy evaluation and control. Evaluate, monitor, and finally, review. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. So we are going to discuss an important topic in the next session. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.